Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udokiwa and welcome to the self-care family. On today's video, we'll be reviewing a very fantastic product that is the Tiam Snail and Azulene water essence. Everybody loves this product. However, I'll be trying it out on camera to tell you if it's worth your money or if you should save it. This is what it looks like. It comes in this purple-ish container with a white lid. However, this is not the original, the very first packaging. This is what the old packaging looks like, and this is what the new packaging looks like. So even if you see this packaging when you're like shopping from most vendors, just know that that is the old packaging. However, if you also see this is their new packaging, and this is what it looks like. Now the question comes, who can actually use this particular product? Everybody can use this product. If you have sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, blemish prone skin, you can definitely use it. So before we continue with the skincare benefits and where you can get it from and how much you can get it, let's try out this product. So now I'll give it a good shake, and it's quite liquidy. It's quite liquidy. So I really do not have any product on my skin. This is going to serve as my toner and as my essence. So let's quickly apply this. I know a lot of people said this does not have any sort of fragrance to it, but my nose can smell a little bit of fragrance. It has this herb-like or root-like smell to it. So just note that. So immediately after applying this is how my skin looks like. You can see it looks like I just drenched my skin inside water, and it looks really hydrated. However, I'm going to allow my skin to take this all in. I'll allow the product to absorb into my skin, and I'll come back and continue with the skincare benefits of this particular product. We are back. My skin has already absorbed this, and touching my face right now, I can tell you that it has like a little bit of sticky feel. Like it has a good like sticky feel, but like not something I am mad at. It will be really amazing if you are applying this and you want to wear makeup. It will grip your makeup. However, this is something I am not even upset about. I enjoy such texture. It is very easy to blend. It doesn't sit heavy on the skin. It's not super slimy, but it has a good like sticky feeling to it. Looking at my face right now, I can say for a fact that it is very much fast absorbing, and it has this beautiful velvety finish to it. It doesn't sit heavy on the skin, and it doesn't sit overly glowy on the skin. It has this smooth feel. I am looking at my skin and it looks super smooth, and it doesn't shine so much. There's some essence that you apply and you just see the intensity of the shine, especially for someone like me who have an oily skin. I wouldn't want any sort of essence that would like just put out the shine there, because I know it might worsen the situation of my skin as the day goes by, because my skin will eventually become too shiny that I have to go on and blot but like I love the way it feels on my skin. I love the way it sits on my skin. Now the question is, what is the major purpose of the snail mucin and the azulene water that is used in formulating this product? Now the snail mucin help in fast acne wound heal. It helps in soothing and calming the skin. It helps in barrier support and in barrier repair while still hydrate your skin, which is almost the same thing that the azulene water does. Now the azulene water serves as some sort of antioxidant because it helps reduce the effect of free radicals on the skin. It also serves as some sort of thing that helps in reducing signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine line. It also hydrates the skin. Azulene boosts hydration. It also boosts moisture retention. Also, azulene help in reducing any signs of inflammation and redness. So if you know you're acne prone and maybe your acne has led to you having like some sort of reddish face, puffy face, this azulene will help in soothing and calming your skin and reducing any sort of inflammation. I also noticed that this particular product does not have any sort of alcohol, and I would applaud them for that. Where can you find this product? You can find this product on most of your Instagram vendors such as Coco Rocher, or you can get it from Toglam. You can also get it from Shoptika 4. You can also get it from Amazon or get it from most of your Korean skincare websites, such as the ones on the screen which I have listed. There are a handful of them, so you can always check some of them and shop from them. They deliver worldwide, I believe. You can also shop from the official website of Tiam. The last question that you might be wondering, how much can you get this product? If you're in Nigeria, it varies from 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira, depending on the vendor you're getting it from. But if you're shopping nationwide or like global, you can always get it for $10 to $11, depending on the website you're getting it from. If you have further questions about this particular essence, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section, and also give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Until then, I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah! Bye.